S1, 2, Janina, check, check, check.
One more mic test.
One more mic test, please.
Test, test, mic test. Can you hear me? I'm Seb. I've been dating Janina for a couple of years now, and today she's in for a surprise. I wasn't too sure if it would seem too cheesy, and in the end I thought that, you know what, it's more about a new experience, something that we can share, so let's go surprise her now. I'm gonna pick this bracelet first because it's simple. I think it relates to her. She likes simple things.
The first sweetest memory I have with Seb would be our trip to Bali a few months ago. I really wanted to go to this spot. It's called Handara Gate. We woke up at 3 a.m. to catch the sunrise because I wanted the photo to be pag sunrise siya.
Which we never ended catching up because the clouds were actually too thick that day.
We drove, barely like getting to that part. It started raining so hard. Water started splashing on our faces. We didn't have a raincoat. And then I didn't hear any kind of complaint from him. But go pa rin siya ng go kasi he knows I wanted to go there talaga.
That was quite an adventure. So what can I find here that would illustrate such an adventure? Probably the globe, illustrating all our travels, also an adventure.
For my 26th birthday, I suddenly felt the urge to go skydiving. Like I wanted to do something crazy, last minute.
And the funny story about it is that I was more scared than her.
I think he's not so big on heights, but he did it with me anyway.
Of course, I'm gonna use the plane and add this one to the bracelet.
Every time we go on shoots, because him and we own a production company together called Maldivar Films. I enjoy it because we get to learn from each other.
So we are partner in life and partner in business. For some people it can seems very crazy, but we actually enjoy it very much.
When we started dating, this wasn't happening yet, but we were both into videos already. That's why I liked him, because we had the same passion and interest.
So to illustrate the fact that we work and learn together regarding our common passion, this one is an easy one. I will pick the camera for this one.
The one that would really stand out, I know for sure, because this happened last year. I got into an accident in Siargao. It was like a head-on collision with another motorbike. And
unfortunately, I was not with her at this exact time. And I received a phone call from a friend of mine who just so happened that he had seen Janina falling from a motorbike. And I was very far away. And when he told me that, I wasn't sure what happened exactly. I wasn't sure how bad it was. So I had to grab my motorbike and go down as fast as I could to reach her. And then I entered the hospital. And then I see Janina, same, with blood on her face. And that was bad, but at least when I saw her, and I saw that, okay, she was conscious, she was able to talk, and she was still laughing. That one of the first things she said is like, take my phone and take a picture of that. I want to laugh about it next time I see it. That's something that I really love about Janina, is that even when things are bad, she's still able to see the positive in it.
I was in pain and then I was in a wheelchair, but he was there beside me, even until the day I had my surgery. Because I had my surgery like 2 weeks after I was like diagnosed with all those fractures. But those 2 weeks, we had work in Thailand. He still had to go to finish the shoot. But he came back earlier, parang just to be with me in the morning of that day. I stopped. He was there waiting lang in the hospital, in the room.
Thank you.
Nice moment for me, like knowing that he was there.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing.
But basically, you know, when you realize that you love someone, at some point you start putting words on that.
He finds ways to always touch my heart and make me happy. Like even if it's just through words, even if he was miles away.
I need to find something to illustrate our love, basically. I'm gonna pick two, actually. I'm gonna go for our initial, J and S. After listening to everything Janina had to say, I'm finally done with the bracelet. You guys are ready? Am I ready? Okay, now it's about time to go and surprise her.
Yeah. But I had no intention of like, parang, oh my god! He's here!
Surprise!
Love! What? Nakakainis ka na!
This bracelet actually represents something that we've experienced together.
Thank you!
Everything. So you have your life on your wrist right now.
I love it!